Alright, hello everybody. Today, on July 19th, 2024, the Y2K finally happened, but nobody expected it. A major part of the world's infrastructure running Windows just shut off and started bootlooping. That's egregious.
A massive global technical outage tied to CrowdStrike, which is a major cybersecurity provider.
I usually don't make this kind of videos, but it's been a wild day and I've been following through on Twitter. I want to set the record straight. You, as an average consumer, shouldn't worry about this. This problem only targeted corporations, governments, and large businesses. Next, this isn't a problem with Windows. And it's important because I've seen plenty of misinformation calling out Microsoft for the catastrophe. And it's not their fault at all. It wasn't Windows Update or anything like that. So what the hell am I talking about? It's a poorly tested driver that bricked Windows computers, causing them to enter an endless blue screen loop. And the culprit is CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity company providing cloud-based solutions. And one of these solutions is called Falcon. It's basically an antivirus that's slightly more intrusive than the usual ones we talk about on this channel. But it's for a good reason. It's created for enterprises. An enterprise cannot possibly control all their employees' computers. So this begs for a more centralized solution, which has to be, ding ding ding, installed on every machine and controlled via some functional dashboard. To have complete control over the computer, you need to run that software in kernel mode, which requires a driver or multiple. So it appears that the software auto-updated itself and pushed the poorly tested code onto every single computer running CrowdStrike Falcon, which shortly caused every single one of them to blue screen and boot loop. There's plenty of footage online of people experiencing the intern pushing directly to the master branch. But what if I told you there is a conspiracy to that story as well? The file that caused the infinite blue screen was filled to the brim with zeros. So this either could be a rogue employee intentionally jeopardizing the effort, or this could be a corrupt file. It's either one of these two. I mean, the first one is a felony, so I personally doubt it. Though this could very well be possible in the modern scene. Who knows? Remember the XZ backdoor? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's a very intriguing development that's still being scrutinized as I speak. Sean Cooley on Twitter suggested this could have happened due to the lack of disk space on the update server, while the database still recorded the file size, and the update mechanism deployed the size as zeros, as all the information to be written initially got lost. This is a very solid assumption, but it's speculation in the end. Anyway, CrowdStrike has published a fix and a workaround for all the machines affected, but the damage has been done. We'll definitely see it resonate for a couple of days down the line. The solution is very simple. You just have to delete the file that's consisting of all zeros. Well, I just want to bring you up to speed here. I'll let the cybersecurity pals like John Hammond and Muta go more in depth on this one once the situation clears up. But this promises to be a fun weekend for IT administrators. The only way to revert this is to manually go through every machine that's been taken out of service and needs to be brought back to life as soon as possible. What are the odds of this happening on Friday night? Wow. This is a really wild predicament. You can keep track of it via Twitter. Make sure to sift all the information through though, because Twitter isn't that reliable. I'm gonna be back soon with more videos that fit my channel better, and for now, thanks for watching and take care.